In this video, I'll show you how to fold down the rear seats on your Chevrolet Equinox and Pontiac Torrent. All you have to do is to go on the corner of the seat, pull this lever, and bring the backrest down. If your front seat is all the way back in its tracks, you may have to push it forward to let this fall down. Or if you don't want to push it forward because it's too uncomfortable for you, you simply need to remove the headrest of the second row, or to put them completely flat. You see there's a button there, and if you push on them, it will be a bit more compact and maybe more comfortable for you as well. So once you're done using them, do the same thing on the other side, by the way. Okay, simply put everything back. You can even adjust the angle of the backrest to make it more comfortable for your back seat passengers. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.